Hello and welcome to the Sewing Studio. If, like me, you're a fan of the Great British Sewing Bee, you'll notice that every week they have a challenge where you repurpose an old garment into something new. So I thought I'd have a go at that. So I've repurposed an old denim skirt into a gardening apron. Now, it doesn't have to just be a gardening apron. It could be an apron for the barbecue. It's the pocket that makes it interesting. So this, as I say, was an old denim skirt. So you can see here, this is the seam and this was the waist. So it was a skirt that was quite full, like an A-line denim skirt. So I cut up the seam to see how much good fabric I'd got. And I just took an old apron, laid it on top and cut round it. So it's really simple to do. We have got a full tutorial on how to make an apron on our channel. So if you want more detail, you can have a look at that and we'll put that in the link below. Whilst I'm talking about our channel, if you like what we do, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, where you can see lots of customers' makes and behind the scenes views, and we'll answer all of your questions in the comments below. So back to our apron. So all I have done with this is I've made a really nice fancy pocket. So this was the skirt, which I drew around the apron. I just hemmed all the way round. I've put some binding tape or twill tape for the neck and for the waist ties. And for the pocket, I've just done 3 sections so I can put my gardening tools in there. And I chose a nice bee fabric because it's for the garden. But if you wanted to do it, as I say, for the barbecue, you could have stripy fabric, you could have whatever. So the pocket measures 10 by 18 inches. And all you do is you hem the top, you place it where you want it to be, and then you machine down if you want more than one pocket. You machine the sides and along the bottom, and it's as easy as that. So with a bit of scrap fabric and an old skirt, I've made a lovely gardening apron. So as always, make it your own, have fun, and I look forward to seeing you next time here in the Sewing Studio.